Hello, Stephanie here with Truedoor Property Management. Today we've got some important information. A new law has been signed into effect that could potentially revolutionize the way property owners utilize their land. Under Assembly Bill AB 1033, property owners in participating cities will now have the opportunity to not only build an ADU but also sell their ADU as a condo, completely separate from the main property. What's fascinating about this development is that these ADUs will now follow the same rules that apply to condos. This means that owners will have greater flexibility in how they utilize their land. The ability to sell an ADU separately could have a significant impact for the property and the housing market in areas like SoCal. Homeowners and investors could potentially unlock additional streams of income by constructing and selling ADUs on their properties. This could also lead to increased housing options and affordability in these cities. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, I'm Stephanie with Truedoor Property Management, making you more money with less drama.